Okay, now we're going to go ahead and do some drills on the Lydian and Aeolian modes. Let's just remember a few things first. Lydian can be thought of as the major scale with a raised 4. Or it can be thought of as the fourth mode of major. So remember, if I ask for the C Lydian mode, you are going to play a scale starting from C with a raised 4th scale degree, or the G major scale starting on C. Aeolian compares to the major scale in that it has a lowered 3rd, 6th, and 7th. So the major scale would lower, in this case, an E, an A, and a B flat. You can also think of Aeolian as the 6th mode of major, the E flat major scale starting on C. Whichever way you think of it is fine, but now we're going to actually try to drill these and get them comfortably into our playing. So we'll stick the metronome on 60 again. Those are quarter notes. And we'll start by going around the key circle by adding flats. We'll also talk a little bit about the fingerings. Let's go ahead and start with C. Now remember, the main objective here is that you want to keep your thumb off of black pitches. So here on the first scale, whereas the C major scale fingering would go 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, we'll run into a problem if we do that here. So we're going to have to opt for a fingering which goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. Remember, the idea is to keep your thumb off of black pitches. So here we go with C Aeolian. Ready? 1, 2, ready, play. Remember, you can get your thumb, which has to cross under, in place while the fourth finger is still playing the F sharp. At this point, my thumb is directly behind my fourth finger. At the moment that my fourth finger plays the F sharp, my thumb is ready to play the pitch. The second that my thumb plays the pitch, the other fingers swing in position for the remainder of the scale. Let's go now to F Lydian. F major scale with a raised 4. That would have a B natural. We can do this one with the same fingering. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. Same fingering as the F major scale. Ready, play. Let's go to B flat. B flat, we can probably do it with something similar to the scale fingering for the C major scale. Start on 2, flip under, and go up the remainder of the scale. This is sort of keeping with that fingering idea that 2 and 3 go on D's and E's, and 2, 3, and 4 go on G's, A's, and B's. Here we go. 1, 2, ready, play. B flat, C, D, E, F, G, A, B flat. Let's move on to E flat. Same idea here. We're going to have 2, 3, and 4 in place for G, A, and B. Flip under to the C and go up the remainder of the scale. Remember, this is an E flat major scale that has a raised 4, so it's going to have an A natural. Here we go. Ready, play. G, A, B flat, C, D, E flat. Okay, let's go to A flat now. A flat has 4 flats, but we're going to raise that D. That D flat becomes a D natural. We can also do it with somewhat of that idea of 2, 3, and 4 going here and 2 and 3 going here. Here we go. 1, 2, ready, play. Good. Are you keeping in mind that your thumb is swinging under, getting in place right at the point where the final finger is on a black note just adjacent to it, and the rest of the fingers are flipping over when the thumb plays? Let's keep that in mind for the next ones. D flat Lydian. Okay, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, and here, 2, 3 go here, 2, 3, and 4 go here, but G natural instead of G flat. Here we go. 1, 2, ready, play. Good. All right. Let's go to G flat now. Same idea. G flat major would have a C flat, but this is going to have a C natural. Remember to flip this thumb under and then flip the hand over when it's ready to play. Here we go. 1, 2, ready, play. Even slow practicing, we can do quick movements which will help us when we're trying to get these scales faster. B major, same idea, 2 and 3 here, 4, 5, and 6 here. Remember, it's an E sharp instead of an E natural. 1, 2, ready, play. Okay. E major, same thing, 2, 3, and 4, 2 and 3, A sharp instead of A natural. 1, 2, ready, play. Okay. A Lydian. Same idea. Actually, this one will be a little bit different. This one, A major, can have the same scale. Actually, it can't have the same fingering as A major because we'd end up with a thumb on a black note. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. Here we go. 1, 2, ready, play. Okay. D, same fingering. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. We're running into this problem because if we flip the thumb under, we'd be on a black note. So here we go. 1, 2, ready, play. Okay, and G is the final one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. C sharp instead of C natural. 1, 2, ready, play. Okay, good. Let's go through all the Lydian modes now around the key circle, keeping 60 as our quarter note, but we'll go more quickly from one to the next. I'll count you in on each one. Here we go. C Lydian. 3, 4. F Lydian. Ready, go. B flat Lydian. Ready, go. E flat Lydian. Ready, go. A flat Lydian. Ready, go. D flat Lydian. Ready, go. G flat Lydian. Ready, go. B Lydian. Ready, go. E Lydian. Ready, go. A Lydian. Ready, go. D Lydian. Ready, go. G Lydian. Ready, go. All right, good. Let's now go ahead and move over to Aeolian. Remember, Aeolian is a major scale with a lowered 3, 6, and 7. Let's go through all these and talk about fingerings. So this C Aeolian mode would have the same fingering as C major. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Looks like the fingering for F Aeolian would have the same fingering as F major. 1, 2, 3, A flat, D flat, and E flat. B flat Aeolian gets us into that idea that 2 and 3 go here, and 2, 3, and 4 go here. B flat, C, D flat, E flat, F, G flat, A flat, and B flat. Same thing with E flat Aeolian. 2, 3, and 4 go here, 2 and 3 go here. This one's going to add 3 more flats, G flat, C flat, and D flat. E flat, F, G flat, A flat, B flat, C flat, D flat, E flat. Same idea with A flat Aeolian. 3 and 4 here, 2 and 3 here, 2 up here. A flat, B flat, C flat, D flat, E flat, F flat, G flat, A flat. This is getting us into a lot of flats. In fact, this is a key that has 7 flats. So if you want to think of it as G sharp, that would be 5 sharps. Either way you want to think of it, just the idea is, remember, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, let's go on to C sharp Aeolian now. C sharp Aeolian would be the same as the E major scale. So we're back to the idea that 2, 3 here, and 2, 3, and 4 up here. C sharp, D sharp, E, F sharp, G sharp. Actually, this one looks as if we're going to use the same fingering as the parent major, which would have been E major. So we're going to flip under to 1 and flip up to 3 and 4 over here. So we have 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. C sharp, D sharp, E, F sharp, G sharp, A, B, C sharp. The reason for that being is if we did it a different way, we'd end up with a thumb on a black pitch. So make sure that you keep your thumb off black pitch and watch for those comfortable fingerings. Let's go on now to F sharp. This one's going to have the same fingering as the parent major scale, which is A. So in this case, we're going to start 2, 3, flip under to 1, and go 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Here we go. 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. You can start 2, 3, or 3, 4, although it's probably more comfortable to start 2, 3. Once again, F sharp, G sharp, A, B, C sharp, D, E, F sharp. Next one would be B Aeolian. Same fingering as the D major scale. Let's find out. Probably be something like this. Let's go to D major. So we could start 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. B, C sharp, D, E, F sharp, G, A, B. You could start 2, 3, or 3, 4, whichever one is more comfortable. Let's go on to E Aeolian. Same fingering as the parent major scale, which would be G. So we'd end up with 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Let's see if this will work with the same fingering as the E major scale. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. That works also. So either way, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, or 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. The idea is maintain that the thumb stays off black pitches either way you go. A Aeolian is easy. Same fingering as the A major scale. And that's probably the way we're going to think of it. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Same for D Aeolian. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. And same for G Aeolian. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. These last few also have the same fingering as their parent major. Any way you want to think about it. The idea is keep your thumb off a black note. So let's put on the metronome now and go through our Aeolian modes around the key circle. I'll cue you into each new scale. Here we go, C Aeolian. 1, 2, ready, play. F Aeolian. Ready, play. A flat, B flat, C, D flat, E flat, F. flat Aeolian. Ready, play. B flat, C, D flat, E flat, F, G flat, A flat, B flat. E flat Aeolian. Ready, play. B flat, F, G flat, A flat, B flat, C flat, B flat, E flat. A flat Aeolian. Ready, play. A flat, B flat, C flat, D flat, E flat, F flat, G flat, A flat. C sharp Aeolian. Ready, play. C sharp, D sharp, E, F sharp, G sharp, A, B, C sharp. F sharp Aeolian. Ready, play. F sharp, G sharp, A, B, C sharp, D, E, F sharp. B Aeolian. Ready, play. B, C sharp, D, E, F sharp, G, A, B. E Aeolian. Ready, play. E, F sharp, G, A, B, C, D, E. A Aeolian. Ready, play. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A. D Aeolian. Ready, play. D, E, F, G, A, B flat, C, D. G Aeolian. Ready, play. G, A, B flat, C, D, E flat, F, G. Good. Now let's randomly go through some Aeolian and Lydian modes. I'll call out a new pitch, and you play it. I'll give you probably 6 clicks in between each new scale. We'll start with A Lydian. 1, 2, ready, play. D flat Lydian. 1, 2, ready, play. E Aeolian. 1, ready, play. G Aeolian. 1, ready, play. B flat Lydian. 1, ready, play. C sharp Aeolian. 1, ready, play. F Lydian. 1, ready, play. G sharp Aeolian. 1, ready, play. B Lydian. 1, ready, play. All right, so that's a good head start on our Lydian and Aeolian modes. Just remember, Lydian, major scale with a raised 4, Aeolian, major scale with a lowered 3, 6, and 7. Lydian, scale that you would use if a major 7th chord is functioning like a 4 in a major key. Aeolian, scale you would use if a chord is functioning like a minor 6 in a major key. Keep working on these and drilling them, and looking forward to hearing them from you when you're ready to play them for me. And I look forward to seeing you and hearing you on a future video.